Hey guys, Edward Stevens here from the Stevens Group at Reese Nichols. Okay, check this out. As many of you probably know, I have a website. It's estevens.reesenichols.com, and it's got a ton of tools for you, the potential home buyer. Today, I want to focus on one thing, open houses. Now, open houses are fun. Open houses are a great way to get experience in the marketplace, and I want you to be able to attend as many open houses as you'd like. But the problem with open houses is that there's only a very short window where you can get in to see the home. And if you're like many people, you want to see 4 or 5 open houses in a day. And sometimes you spend too much time at one house, you don't spend enough time at the other. And it's just logistically, it's very difficult to see the 4 or 5 homes you want to see because the windows you don't control. Right? You don't control when property A is open or when property B is open or property C is open. Okay, so the thing to do here is take advantage of one of my real estate tools on this website, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Follow me. Now, you're going to go ahead and look at the screen that shows my website. If you can back off of this and then onto the main screen, estevens.reesenichols.com. This is my website personalized to me. You can get a hold of me through this website. Now you can do a lot of things, but we're going to show you how to shop for open houses today. So you're going to come down here to where it says find your home, and then you're going to click open houses or open house. And then let's just assume that you want to see open houses in Mission, Kansas. And we want to see if there's any open houses this weekend in Mission, Kansas. So I'm going to type Mission, Kansas into the search bar, and then I'm going to click search. And then it's going to pull up any Mission, Kansas open house from any brokerage. And as you can see, there's one. And 5716 Walmer Street is the address. It's listed at $193,000, and it's got 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Okay. There's photos here if you wanted to click through those photos. And what we're going to do is open it up and check out the time that it's available. And this may or may not work with our example schedule, our itinerary that we wanted to keep for tomorrow. So here's the thing to do. As you can see right now, it's got the price, it's got the photos right here, but let's assume for a second that 11 to 1 tomorrow doesn't work for us. So we need to do something that does work for us, and that means schedule an appointment outside of that 11 to 1 time frame. It's very easy to do, and I can actually accommodate you much more easily than the host of the open house. All you have to do is tomorrow, which is Sunday. You'll select tomorrow, Sunday. You're going to select the time you want to see the property. Let's say you want to see it before it starts. Might be a good idea. You might want to see it before the rush. 10 a.m. to 12. And then you're just going to put your contact information in right here. Julie Smith, jsmith@gmail.com, and fake, of course, everything. And I'm going to go ahead and click request. And when I click request, that's going to send a text message to me. And it's going to say, Julie Smith, or you, or whoever, is interested in seeing this property tomorrow from 10 until 12. And then I can reach out to you and say, hey, let's make it happen. Looking forward to seeing you. And I'll go ahead and set it up for, what do you want, 10? Do you want 11? And we will schedule it from there. And you can very, very, very easily accommodate now your 4 or 5 open houses or however many you want to do, because I can just link them together like that. So go ahead and click the send request, and obviously when you're done, you're going to get the thank you. I will contact you shortly, and I absolutely will. That's my promise to you. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. It makes shopping for open houses and lining up your open houses just a little bit easier. It's Edward Stevens from the Stevens Group at Reese Nichols. Talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.